Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Winter Workshop. My name is Eric from Great Wolf Forge. Today we're making some adjustments to the Bowie concept. If you remember the last video, which is hand filing the bevels, by the way. If you didn't watch it yet, look up here. Click it. Watch it first. Watch it all, but at the end, I toy with making some adjustments to this knife. The handle is shit, right? I mean, look. It's too thin. I would have to put massive scales on there to be able to get my hand around it. I mean, it's overlapping quite a bit right now. So, my plan is today, we're going to cut this off, whatever this is. I don't know in knife terms what this is. We're going to cut this off. We're going to shoulder it up right here. The tang, we're going to thin down. And this is going to become a hidden tang Bowie concept. Stick around, watch, find out. All right, ladies and gents, here we have the 1x30 beautiful grinder from Harbor Freight. I have a 60 grit ceramic belt from Combat Abrasives on here that should take a lot of this off pretty quick. It might not work the best, right, being a 1x30, but this belt really hogs off metal, so we're going to see how fast we can get rid of this right here and do some shoulder work before we grind down the tang. As much as I love grinding with the 1x30, I love angle grinding more. We're going to speed this process up, pull out the angle grinder, get that down to where we want it to be, or else we're going to be sitting here all night long. This is going to be a 4.5 hour video, and I know you don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. Nobody wants to see that. Let's get down to our final shape. I forgot to say before, we're also going to be putting a guard on this, our first one ever. What could possibly go wrong? So if you couldn't tell by the 70 million sparks that were flying around, this blade is already hardened. So I was just watching for the temper colors, for them to run up into the blade, but they never made it that far, so we're good. I'm gonna get the 1x30 back out. We're gonna clean this up a little bit, and our modification should be complete. Alright, we're back with our favorite trusty machine, the Harbor Freight 1x30. Just gonna clean up these edges that I made on here. We're gonna call that a win. Well, we did it. I would say we're pretty committed now. So we got our shoulders right here for the guard. These might be taken in just a little more, but I'll do that with the file by hand, just to get them a little squared up. I'm not really sure how a hidden Tang knife works. I know it's something like this, but I guess we'll figure that out, won't we? But I got the shoulders where I want them, right here. Like I said, we might do some adjustments on that. We will be putting a nice guard on this. I think I'm going to do like kind of an S shape, but I want to research that a little bit and kind of see what's out there. We might mess with the bevels a little bit too. I don't really like how they look, so I might take them actually quite a bit higher up the spine, but we'll see how that goes after I do some more research on this. Maybe I'll just leave it. I don't know yet. There might be some more tweaking done to this, but there's no going back. There is no return from what we've done to this. I actually kind of like how it looks right now. Better than before, for sure. That handle was garbage. So I'm going to need to find some material for this handle. It's going to be wood. Maybe ironwood. I really like how that looks. You know, when you put some boiled linseed oil on it, it really brings that grain out. Maybe a nice burl we'll try to find. But this is it for now. Adjustments have been made. Stay tuned for the rest. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, push that button. It's in the corner. It's down below. It's in your heart. It's everywhere. I would appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more sparks thrown, leave it double like. I'll grind this whole thing up for likes. No, I won't. I actually love this knife quite a bit. Thank you guys for coming. Next is going to be guard? Maybe? I'm going to have to do a little more research on hidden Tang knives. Like I said, I haven't done one. Don't know. Just kind of did this out of a whim. We'll see what happens with it. It'll look beautiful when it's done, of course, because I'm making it. But we'll see you guys in the next video where we do the next thing, whatever that thing might be. See you next time.